Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Orca in deeeep. EO. The Orca is a formidable Tier 10 animal, known for its high health and significant damage output. Your primary tool is its unique grab ability, which allows you to seize and throw other animals. This is crucial for isolating targets and dealing consistent damage. Remember to stay close to food sources to keep your boost bar full for effective hunting. Mastering the Orca's grab is key to success. Simply press your boost button to activate the grab. You can grab smaller animals and throw them into environmental hazards like volcanoes or whirlpools for extra damage. For most Tier 9 animals, 2 well-placed grabs are often enough to secure a victory. Consistent practice will help you perfect your timing and aim, making you a more dangerous predator in the deep ocean. For advanced tactics, try the grab and pin combo. Grab an opponent and quickly throw them against a wall or obstacle, dealing extra damage and limiting their escape. Your boost is also excellent for quick escapes if you find yourself outnumbered or in a disadvantageous position. Always prioritize targeting animals with low health to secure easy eliminations and maintain your dominance. Avoid engaging multiple enemies simultaneously. Environmental awareness is vital for survival. Use the terrain to your advantage, such as hiding in caves for ambush attacks or escaping pursuit. Always be mindful of other powerful Tier 10 predators, as they can pose a significant threat. To regenerate health, simply eat food or hide in a safe spot. Remember to stay in the water to avoid taking damage from dehydration, ensuring your longevity in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.